Global warming. Earth is now much a warmer place than what it was 1,000 years ago. This is what has made the Earth more habitable. But scientists are getting worried that the Earth may be getting dangerously warm. This problem is called global warming. What is global warming? Global warming is an increase in the average temperature of the Earth's surface, which occurs following an increase in certain gases present in the Earth's atmosphere. These gases are often referred to as the greenhouse gases. This phenomenon is also called as the greenhouse effect. How does the greenhouse effect work? The greenhouse effect works like this. The sun's rays pass down easily through the atmosphere and warm the surface of the Earth. The surface absorbs the heat in the form of infrared radiations and throws some of it back towards space. However, much of that heat does not escape into space. The greenhouse gases in the atmosphere trap these radiations. More the greenhouse gases in the atmosphere, stronger is the effect. The common greenhouse gases are carbon dioxide, methane, nitrous oxide, and chlorofluorocarbons. The greenhouse basics. Let's get to know why the greenhouse effect is called so. You can see a simple greenhouse here. A greenhouse is used to create artificial warmth for certain plants to grow. The most basic greenhouse would be a simple box made out of a solid transparent material such as glass or clear plastic. When sunlight shines through the transparent walls of the greenhouse, it heats the material inside. Radiation energy from sunlight heats up the greenhouse floor. The floor releases some of this thermal energy, which heats the layer of air at the bottom of the greenhouse. Warmer air is lighter than cooler air, that is, it has a lower density, and so the heated air rises to the top of the greenhouse. When the heated air rises, cooler air replaces it at the bottom of the greenhouse. This air becomes heated by the floor and also begins to rise. The glass or the plastic roof prevents it from escaping, thus building up the heat. Global warming. A grave danger. One danger of global warming is that the rising temperatures will melt much of the ice at the Earth's poles. Ice reflects a lot of sunlight into space, which adds to the problem. The more the ice melts, the more heat the Earth absorbs, speeding up global warming. Melting of icebergs will raise sea levels around the world and flood the coastal cities. The cause of global warming. Many scientists believe that deforestation is causing the Earth to become warmer. The problem is carbon dioxide and other heat-trapping pollutants, mainly from cars, power plants, and other industrial sources that burn gasoline, coal, and other fossil fuels, which are collecting like a blanket in the atmosphere. As a result, the planet is getting warmer. In fact, the 3 hottest years on record have all occurred since 1998. Here are a few of the things each one of us can do. Reduce, reuse, recycle. Buy products that feature reusable or recyclable. Reduce packaging to save the energy required to manufacture new containers. Use cloth or jute bags instead of plastic bags. Also, by recycling all of your home's waste newsprint, cardboard, glass and metal, you can reduce carbon dioxide emissions by a large extent. Consider a fuel-smart car. A fuel-efficient vehicle is one that gets more kilometers to the liter than your current vehicle. Think about giving your car a day off. Consider transportation alternatives such as public transport, carpooling, bicycling, or walking. By leaving your car at home 2 days a week, you can reduce carbon dioxide emissions by considerable amounts in a year. Go solar. Encourage your parents to install a solar thermal system in your home to help provide your hot water and reduce carbon dioxide emissions. Plant trees. Trees absorb carbon dioxide, a greenhouse gas, from the air. Join family members, neighbors, or community service groups in planting trees in your yard, along roadways, at schools and in parks. Educate others. Encourage others to take these practical energy-saving steps that save money while protecting the environment. A runaway greenhouse. The planet Venus is an example of a rampant greenhouse effect. Many of the gases in Venus's atmosphere, mainly carbon dioxide and sulfuric acid, have created such a strong greenhouse effect that astronomers estimate the planet's average surface temperature to be more than 480 degrees centigrade, that is, 900 degrees Fahrenheit.